Hello. Good afternoon, good day. Uh, the tax for week one, number tax two, number one of that tax has been answered. This video will show us how we can solve number two tax. And number two tax made us to understand the question number two made us to understand that from the given list, the menu list, we should form what? We should form a JSON. A JSON object, as you can see on the screen, JSON stands from JavaScript object notation. And simply it is a list of lists. It's a list of dictionary, sorry. It's a list of dictionary. While we have a list, we have a dictionary, we have a list of lists, we also have a list of dictionary, and this actually is what is called as JSON in other languages. In JavaScript, especially, it is called a JSON object. So this is what we want to do. In this menu, our menu will take it and will take the values, not the keys, the values, then we make the values of the menu dictionary to be the key of the new dictionary, whereby ingredients, a list, ingredients will take the place of the values in the new dictionary. But we observe that from the screen we have here, we have our dictionary. This the item menu says here is actually a list of, if you watch and see, we'll have some difficulty in doing this because that is a list. We'll have a difficulty in doing that because that is a list. So in this situation, what we'll do, we'll simply transform this list to a given value. We can call it a fruit. So what we'll do, we'll just say menu underscore new. You can say equals to menu. And you take everything. So menu underscore new of what we want the male underscore says is equal to what we want to give it a name, fruits. So when we do our menu underscore new, you see that menu says has been changed to fruits. So remember, we have a given range of prices. So I put that in a list and I call the list price. Now I want to assign these prices to the values of the menu. So what are we going to do? We'll use a dictionary comprehension. Price this, and call it this way, or price, menu price, menu price, menu price equal to this. Now in dictionary compression, what are we doing? We're using the prices as a criteria. So we have prices. What do we want? The length of the prices. What will it give us? The length of the prices is actually what? Is actually 5. So we do here range range of this range of 5. Range of 5 will give us what? 0 to 4. So we have what? For item, I is a variable in this. So we'll now have the values this way. So what are we going to do next? We need the values from the dictionary. So I'm going to get that. So do this menu underscore new dot values will give us the values, but we have to put it in a list form so that we can use our I. And you make your condition I, then you map it and you give it the value. So these become the keys in the new dictionary, and what prices I becomes the values. So we have this, then you see your menu prices, which is the new dictionary. Sorry, not menu prices, but menu price. Menu price, you have this. But this is a dictionary. It's a dictionary and not a JSON. So for it to become a JSON, this is actually what we ought to do here. We have to do put our square brackets before the dictionaries, and we'll have the JSON, and this is it, the JSON. If you check for the type of it, type of menu new, menu new, you see that the type is a dictionary. Sorry, the type of menu new, not menu new, type of menu price, type of menu price. You see, it's a list, but the type of menu price one, that is zero, you get it as a dictionary. So thank you for watching this channel. Uh, please subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed, and also do well by commenting what's your observation, what should be done or what should not be done. You can as well share the video to your friends to help them in their Python programming. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Thank you.